Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the AI note taker in ClickUp. First, you need to connect your calendar. In your planner, you can link your Google or Outlook calendar. This allows the AI to access your meeting links and be ready to join your events. After connecting your calendar, go to the settings of your workspace and click on AI note taker. Then look for auto scheduling and select your calendar from the drop-down menu. This ensures the AI knows which meetings to access. Next, go to the event you want AI Note Taker to attend. Copy the meeting link. Then click on AI Note Taker at the top right of ClickUp. Paste the meeting link in the field and click on Send. The AI will join the meeting as an attendee. While the meeting is happening, AI Note Taker will record the discussion and capture important points. It will summarize the meeting, create takeaways, and list action items. After the meeting ends, you can access your notes. The AI will save them in a private doc or link them directly to the meeting task. You can review the notes anytime to check key points, follow up on action items, or track decisions made during the meeting. Using AI Note Taker makes it easy to stay organized and saves time by automatically creating clear, accurate notes. You do not have to worry about missing important information or remembering every detail. Thanks for watching.